Guys, look at this MCQ asked in theory exam. Restoration of diploidy of chromosomes occurs after what will chromosomes again become diploid. So it is haploid and haploid, right, from father, mother, and then it should again haploid and haploid should join, and then that cell will become diploid cell. So this is diploid. So you have haploid, the sperm, and the secondary oocyte, then they'll join, then it will become diploid, right? This is a diploid cell. This is nothing but zygote. So when does this happen? After what will this happen? They're asking. The diploidy of chromosomes occurs after. Restoration of diploidy of chromosomes occurs after. So the answer is actually fertilization. Okay. After fertilization only you can have the diploidy of chromosomes being restored. Now let us look at what capacitation is, an acrosomal reaction. So capacitation is removing this kind of cap and then the acrosome going and reacting, right? Those two are something to do with the sperm so that it can penetrate the secondary oocyte. And what is cleavage? Cleavage in embryology, okay, is actually the division of the zygote into, see, it has become two-cell stage, two-cell stage becoming four becoming 8, that they are saying is cleavage, okay. So this is already diploid if you see here, right? This is already diploid. So because this is post-fertilization. So somewhere between this acrosomal reaction, capacitation, and then this cleavage, somewhere in between something should happen, and that is the fertilization, okay. So now if you look at fertilization, so basically here is fertilization. It will actually, the sperm will meet the secondary oocyte, okay, and then the secondary oocyte which has 23 chromosomes, right, that it is haploid, right, and then what will happen, the sperm will come and meet, it is also haploid, right, that is 23 chromosomes. Then what will happen, the second meiotic division occurs and then the zygote forms, which is 46 chromosomes, that is 23 pairs of chromosomes. So now it is diploid, okay. So what came in between this haploid and diploid? The fertilization came, and then followed by the second meiotic division actually, okay, of this oocyte, secondary oocyte. So answer here is what, guys? Fertilization.